Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Z-Wave sensors to Home Assistant with Aeotec Hub, complete guide step by step clearly. First, gather all necessary equipment including your Aeotec Z-Wave Hub, Z-Wave sensors, and a device to access Home Assistant. Ensure your Aeotec Hub is plugged in and powered on. Connect your Aeotec Hub to your home network using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Once connected, access the web interface of Home Assistant from your device. Log in to your Home Assistant dashboard. Navigate to the Integrations page in the Settings menu. Select the Add Integration option. Search for and select Z-Wave. Home Assistant will prompt you to enter the Z-Wave network key. Obtain the Z-Wave network key from your Aeotec Hub documentation. Enter the network key in the provided field and click Submit. Home Assistant will initiate a connection with your Z-Wave Hub. Once connected, you will see the Z-Wave integration listed in your integrations. Now, prepare your Z-Wave sensors for pairing. Follow the instructions for your specific Z-Wave sensor to put it in pairing mode. Most Z-Wave sensors have a dedicated button for this purpose. Back in Home Assistant, click on the Configure button next to the Z-Wave integration. Select the option to add node. Home Assistant will start searching for nearby Z-Wave devices. Once your sensor is detected, it will appear in the list. Click on the sensor in the list to complete the pairing process. After pairing, you can rename the sensor for easier identification. Check the status of the sensor to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything is set up properly, you will see the sensor data appear on your dashboard. Repeat the pairing process for additional Z-Wave sensors as needed. Once all sensors are connected, you can create automations or scripts in Home Assistant. Test the automations to ensure they work as intended with your Z-Wave sensors. You are now ready to utilize your Z-Wave sensors within Home Assistant for smart home automation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.